Is there any God? Acknowledgement begins from Big Bang. Let's make it simple. After an event of the Big Bang, trillions of galaxies, stars, sun, moon, and solar system, they all given the evidence of the existence of the Almighty Creator. Some of the educated and intellectual people have believed statues and idol as a god. We all know these statues and idols are created and manufactured by the people. Why people forget themselves? They are also the creation of Almighty Creator, just like other creations. If you think the greatness about the Almighty Creator, today is very easy to understand and acknowledge about Creator through research from NASA space programs, and photography are available on the internet for anybody. If you look at the distances between each galaxy has millions of miles, light years distances, it's already a mind-blowing reality about the understanding of the Almighty Creator. As we know, nothing breaks itself, such as stone, metal, and iron, etc. You required something to break into pieces. The question raised, how the Big Bang happened? Think about it. Who done it? Almighty Creator done it? Or statues and idols did it? Even some of the people call to humans the God. As we know, humans are creations, based on flesh, bones, blood, and water. They all depend on oxygen, but don't forget Almighty Creator, not like his creations, and he is not depend for his survival on anything. Just think, the sizes of galaxies and stars. If you put all the galaxies and stars together, how giant was the mass before the Big Bang happened? Before the Big Bang, as far, scientists and researchers discovered the whole giant mass squeezed into the size of the tiny dot. With the command of the Almighty Creator, this dot blasted, and Big Bang happened. After the event of Big Bang, trillions of galaxies and stars we can see today. Currently, scientists and researchers also discovered space is continuously expanding from the time of the blast of the Big Bang happened. Now, we can imagine, when the atom bomb blasts, no one can survive. Do you think people call these statues and idols as God? Could they resist the explosion of Big Bang at that time? As we know, any human or any creation cannot do the blast of a single star, never mind the Big Bang, except Almighty Creator, every day, makes some of the stars and some of them destroy, same as us, humans or other creatures. Today's most advanced technology of the world, or in the future, cannot stop the movement of the sun or moon for the blink of the eye, the whole solar system of the universe created and managed by Almighty Creator. These homemade statues and idols were people's imaginary gods when Big Bang happened at that time, and there was no existence or creation. Then from where people got the idea of the statues and the idols God for their worshipping, with the different humans' faces, all the figures and idols are according to the people's customs and cultural gods. Chinese made their gods with Chinese features, Hindu made gods with their skin-colored, brown complexion and features. Europeans made their white god with blue eyes. And Africans made their god with their color and highlights. Every nation designs their gods according to their image and requirements. And also, people made the gods with a different type of human face on animal bodies and animals' face on human bodies on their statues and idols gods. How people call these statues and idols their god? Why they don't realize, these statues and figurines cannot do anything for them, or they cannot give them anything. They don't have any movement or any power. They even cannot make the tiny ant, or they cannot move the bee from their faces, and why the people give them names and label to these idols and statues as a god. Don't forget, this world is just like a piece of dust from one galaxy.
For more informative videos, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for all upcoming videos notification. Like this video and share with your family and friends.
I suggest you to read Quran in your language for more understanding of Almighty God Allah.
IsThereAnyGod.com